So if you have your ER ending verbs, they start with E, so you're going to have the hemos, eis. Your IR ending verbs, they start in I for the ending, so these start in I, imos, is. Alright, now let's check our understanding here. So for these, you're going to conjugate these two verbs. Now remember, with conjugating verbs, you don't necessarily have to know what the verb means in order to do that. But in this case, comer, we used already, to eat, abrir, to open. So one of them's ER, one of them's IR. I've already drawn out the charts for you. So you have all your subjects. You just have to remember your steps and your endings. Step 1, of course, is to drop your ending every time. So that's dropping the ER and the IR, which means for every single box, you should have the stem at least. COM for these, COM, ABR, ABR, okay? So you have step 1 done. Now step 2, which is the more difficult part, is to remember the endings that go on to these based on the subjects. And remember that for ER, IR, there's just going to be 2 boxes in each, or 2 boxes that are going to be different. The rest of them are going to be the same on either side. So go ahead and conjugate these and see what you come up with. You can go ahead and pause this if you need more time and take the time to conjugate them through. Let's take a look at these. So we did step 1. We got rid of the ER and IR. So we ended up with COM, COM, and all of these, correct? Now in these, we got rid of the IR. So we have ABR, ABR, and all of these. Now we have to remember our endings. Remember, they're going to be the exact same for all of these except these 2 boxes. Okay, so we have our OSE. Now for ER, it starts with E, so we have an E. Hemos starts with E, so we have eis, and then N. For the IR, we have the OSE, and starts with I, so it's imos, starts with I, is, and then N. Right, so that's how to conjugate ER, IR verbs. In the next lesson, we're just going to do an overall assessment just to see how you're doing on subjects and conjugations.